Most people think they make decisions logically, but studies show emotions drive 95% of our choices. That's right. We often don't even realize it. Here's something quirky. Have you ever noticed how people tend to mimic each other's body language? It's a subconscious habit that builds connection, even if we're unaware of it. Now, let's talk tech. Did you know that the average person checks their phone over 200 times a day? That's a staggering number. It's changing how we interact with the world around us. Speaking of strange, in some cultures, it's common to have a crying party to express grief and support each other. It may seem odd, but it helps people process their emotions together. Finally, here's a thought-provoking truth. Our habits shape our identities. Every small action contributes to who we become. Embrace the weird, the unexpected, and the unique. Each habit, each quirk, adds color to our lives. So, what will you choose to embrace today? Did you know that the humble tomato is actually a fruit? Originally from the Andes Mountains in South America, it was once thought to be poisonous. Now it's a staple in kitchens worldwide. Speaking of unique dishes, have you ever heard of hakarl? This Icelandic delicacy is fermented shark, and it's known for its strong ammonia smell. It's definitely not for the faint-hearted. Now, brace yourself for this statistic. Globally, we waste about 1/3 of all food produced. That's nearly 1.3 billion tons each year. Shocking, right? Moving on to snacks. Ever tried edible cookie dough? It's a popular treat that skips the baking and lets you enjoy the sweet, raw goodness straight from the bowl. Finally, food is more than just sustenance. It's a universal language that connects people across cultures. Sharing a meal can bridge gaps and create bonds. So whether it's a family dinner or a street food festival, remember that food has the power to unite us all. Let's celebrate culinary culture together. Imagine waking up to a world where AI manages every aspect of your daily life. From cooking breakfast to planning your schedule, technology will seamlessly integrate into our routines. Next, groundbreaking advancements in gene editing could soon allow us to eliminate hereditary diseases. This could revolutionize healthcare and extend life expectancy dramatically. Now, consider how humans might adapt. Some scientists speculate that as climate changes, we could develop enhanced abilities, like improved lung capacity for breathing in polluted air. What about leisure? Picture a future where virtual reality experiences are so immersive that they feel more real than life itself. You could travel to ancient Rome or dive into the depths of the ocean without leaving your home. Finally, let's gaze into the cosmos. In the next 50 years, we may establish colonies on Mars. Imagine humans living on another planet, creating a new society, and exploring the universe. The possibilities are endless, and the future is waiting to be discovered. What will humanity achieve next?
The light bulb was once a massive failure. Thomas Edison faced thousands of unsuccessful attempts before finally creating a version that worked. This breakthrough changed the world. Here's the text to process, illuminating homes and cities everywhere. Next, consider the telephone. Alexander Graham Bell's invention transformed communication, connecting people across vast distances in an instant. It laid the foundation for the connected world we live in today. Now, think about the everyday pen. This simple tool, invented in the 1930s, has become essential for writing, drawing, and creativity. It's hard to imagine life without it. Speaking of creativity, did you know the microwave oven was discovered by accident? Percy Spencer noticed a chocolate bar melted in his pocket while working on radar technology. That quirky moment led to a kitchen revolution. Finally, remember that even the simplest ideas can spark global change. The wheel, a basic invention, has driven humanity forward for centuries. These innovations remind us that creativity knows no bounds. Embrace the power of ideas, and who knows what the next breakthrough will be.
The Antikythera mechanism, discovered in a shipwreck, dates back to ancient Greece. This complex device tracked celestial movements with astonishing precision. Can you believe it? It's like an ancient computer. Fast forward to the 15th century, and we find Leonardo da Vinci's flying machine. His sketches of a human-powered aircraft were centuries ahead of their time, sparking dreams of flight long before it became a reality. Now, let's talk about the forgotten invention of the battery. Alessandro Volta created the first true battery in 1800, which laid the groundwork for all modern electronics. It's shocking how this simple invention changed the world. Then there's the quirky invention of the pet rock. In the 1970s, this seemingly useless concept became a massive hit. Who knew a rock could spark joy and laughter? Finally, creativity knows no bounds. Every invention starts with a spark of imagination. It's a reminder that innovative ideas can shape our future in ways we can't even imagine yet. Embrace creativity, and who knows what incredible inventions lie ahead. Did you know that there are waterfalls that flow upside down? In Venezuela, the Angel Falls can create a mesmerizing illusion when strong winds blow the water back into the sky. It's a sight that seems straight out of a fantasy. Now, meet the immortal jellyfish. This amazing creature can revert to its juvenile form after maturing, allowing it to escape death. It's like something from a superhero story. Consider the Amazon rainforest. It's often called the lungs of the earth, but did you know it produces 20% of the world's oxygen? This vibrant ecosystem is a treasure trove of life, yet many species are still waiting to be discovered. Then, there's the fascinating world of fungi. Some mushrooms can glow in the dark. This bioluminescence isn't just for show. It attracts insects that help spread their spores. Nature is full of surprises, and there's so much left to uncover. Every day, new wonders are waiting to be found. The secrets of our planet remind us how incredible and mysterious life truly is. In ancient times, people used shells as currency. Yes, cowrie shells. They were so valuable that entire economies revolved around them. Imagine trading your groceries for a handful of shiny shells. Fast forward to today, and inflation has wreaked havoc on economies. In Zimbabwe, at one point, prices doubled every day. Can you believe that? Now, let's talk about the most expensive item ever sold. A painting by Leonardo da Vinci, Salvator Mundi, sold for an astonishing $450 million. That's a staggering amount for a single piece of art. But the world of money isn't just about big bucks. In Italy, there's a law that prohibits the use of cash over 3,000 euros. Talk about keeping things in check. Finally, here's a thought. Money can't buy happiness, but it sure can shape our world. It drives innovation, creates opportunities, and connects people. So, while it's just paper and coins, its impact is truly priceless. Embrace the quirks of money and see how it influences life around us.
Black holes can consume everything, even light. These cosmic giants warp space-time, creating a point of no return. Imagine being pulled into one. Now let's talk about scale. The observable universe stretches over 93 billion light-years across. That's beyond comprehension. In our own solar system, scientists discovered liquid water on Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. This raises the possibility of life beyond Earth. Isn't that incredible? But wait, there's more. In 1977, a mysterious signal from deep space, known as the WOW signal, was detected. It lasted 72 seconds and has never been explained. What could it have been? Finally, think about this. Humanity has always looked to the stars. Our quest to explore the universe is just beginning. Each discovery fuels our curiosity and imagination. Who knows what wonders await us? The mysteries of space inspire us to dream bigger and reach further. The universe is calling.
Humans spend about 6 years of their lives dreaming. That's right, 6 years. Imagine all those vivid stories unfolding while you sleep. During this time, something truly mysterious happens, sleep paralysis. It's a phenomenon where you wake up, but your body remains temporarily immobilized. Scary, isn't it? Dreams also hold incredible power over creativity. Many artists and inventors have credited their breakthroughs to vivid dreams. Think about it. Some of the greatest ideas might just be hidden in the depths of your subconscious. But here's something even stranger. Not everyone dreams in color. Some people experience dreams solely in black and white. How fascinating is that? This difference can reveal so much about how our minds work. Finally, consider this. The mind is a vast universe of possibilities. Each dream is a doorway to creativity, healing, and understanding. Embrace the mysteries of your mind. Who knows what wonders await in your dreams? Let them inspire you and explore the limitless potential within. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the most famous unsolved mysteries. Ships and planes vanish without a trace, leaving experts baffled for decades. How can so many vessels disappear in a place that's been studied endlessly? Next, consider the Dyatlov Pass incident. In 1959, 9 experienced hikers died under strange circumstances in the Ural Mountains. Their bodies showed signs of extreme trauma, yet there were no footprints leading away. What could have caused such horror? Then, there's the Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek device discovered in a shipwreck. It's considered the world's first computer, but its purpose remains a mystery. How did ancient civilizations create such advanced technology? On Earth, we find the enigmatic Nazca lines in Peru. These massive geoglyphs can only be fully appreciated from the sky. Who created them, and why? Finally, ponder this. What other mysteries lie hidden, waiting to be discovered? Each unanswered question opens the door to new adventures and revelations. The world is full of secrets, just waiting for someone to uncover them.
The legend of King Arthur is famous, but did you know it might have roots in a Celtic warlord? This twist changes everything. Now let's dive into the eerie world of the Wendigo. This terrifying creature from Algonquian folklore is said to possess humans, driving them to madness and cannibalism. How chilling is that? Moving to modern tales, the beloved story of Cinderella has ancient origins. Versions of this fairy tale date back to ancient Greece and China, showing how stories evolve yet remain timeless. Next, consider the curious superstition in Japan about the Yuki Onna, the snow woman. It's believed that if you see her, you'll be cursed with misfortune. Finally, here's a mystery. The legend of El Dorado, the city of gold. Was it a real place or just a myth? The search continues, leaving us with questions. What other myths might hold hidden truths? The world of legends is deeper than we think, and the stories are just beginning to unfold.